Hi, and welcome to IT 375 Digital Graphics Design. This is week one, getting started. What we'll be doing this week is figuring out what we're going to use for an idea for a charity site, installing Dreamweaver in Photoshop, and on the discussion board, selecting terms you're not familiar with that would be found within the realm of web design. The idea for a charity site, you have two options. One is going to be to choose a site that's already existing. It's already up. And you're going to take this site and you're going to redo it completely. So you're going to create a new color scheme. You're going to create new logo. You're going to create new graphics. So when the site is done, it's going to bear not all that much resemblance to the original site. The second option you have, which I think is probably a little better, is choosing your own charity. Here you get to choose something that you're passionate about, and it might make it easier to work on this. And maybe somewhere down the line, if you might find yourself having a need for it. Now, when you're creating a site of your own, you might be wondering what you're going to do for how you're thinking about content and how much of a problem it is to compile all this content, put it all together, for your site. So one option you have is using Lorem Ipsum. Here's a picture of Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum is also called dummy text. It's used by designers. It was designed to look just like regular text. If you read it, it makes no sense at all. But as you can see here, you can use the text to lay out a design. There's one picture. Here's another picture of another design. Again, if you read this, it makes no sense whatsoever, but it was designed primarily just to be able to show what text would look like, a filler. The books we use can be found by going to course resources, and we were using Adobe Creative Cloud All-in-One for Dummies or Dreamweaver CC for Dummies. Dummies books, some people might have a little bit of a initial bad response to, but they're just really good for getting up and running. Rather than buying something that's like a Bible where you have all this information that really you're not going to need, this is slimmed down to just all the vital components. The discussion board will be identifying concepts or terms in website design that you were not familiar with before. So you can find these all over. You can find them on the web. You can find them in the syllabus. You might even find them in the two books I just went over. So in the icebreaker, introduce yourself, your background, how familiar you are with HTML, CSS. Thanks. Bye.